Good morning, children. Glad to meet you all in our today's English class. Children, look at the following sentences. He walks fast, he walked fast, he will walk fast. If you note one thing, in all these three sentences, there is a similarity in the verb walk, but dissimilarity in its form. Why this dissimilarity takes place? Due to the time of action. To denote the time of action and state of being, tenses will be used. Yeah, children, your guess is correct. Our today's topic is tenses. Definition of tense. The word tense comes from the Latin word tempus, which means time. So, to denote time of action, the word tenses is used. There are three tenses, namely present, past and future. Each has four kinds. They are simple, continuous or progressive, perfect and perfect continuous. In this way, on the whole, we have 12 tenses. They are simple present, present continuous, present perfect and present perfect continuous in present tense. And simple past in past tense, simple past, past continuous, past perfect and past perfect continuous. The same way in future too, simple future, future continuous, future perfect and future perfect continuous. In this way, on the whole, we have 12 tenses. Let's see, where do we use which tense? We shall see simple present at first. Simple present tense is used to denote habitual activity, the action which takes place at the moment, universal truth and in proverb and in exclamatory sentences too. Verb form for simple present tense is verb 1 or verb plus s or verb along with es or verb along with ies. Where do we use verb 1? To denote present tense for plural noun when the subject is plural or I, we, you, they. If I, we, you, they are plural noun which is used as a subject, it will be followed by verb 1 to denote present tense. Whereas for singular noun and for third person singular, for singular noun and for third person singular, we have to use the verb form verb plus es or verb plus s or verb plus ies. Third person singular, to denote present tense, we are supposed to use s form of verb, es form of verb or ies form of verb. Okay, where do we use s form of verb? When the verb which ends with except the letters H, O, X, S, Z, Y. The verb should not end with any one of these letters. For those verbs, you can use S form of verb. Where do we use ES form of verb? When the verb which ends with any one of the letters like H, O, X, Z. It will be followed by ES form of verb, which means along with the verb, es should be added. And when the verb which ends with y, instead of y, we are supposed to add ies. For example, try, tries, fry, fries, cry, cries. This should be used only for third person singular in present tense. There are certain keywords to denote simple present tense. They are today, usually, regularly, often, rarely, frequently, occasionally, every day, every month, every year, always, never, etc. A few examples are given here, children. Look at it. I meet my friend today. We go for a walk often. You look handsome. He goes fast. She walks slow. It flies high. They speak louder. See children, in the first sentence, today is used. So, we have used a simple present tense. In the second sentence also, often is the keyword which is used, so we have used simple present tense. In the following sentences, there is no keyword, but it shows regular activity. That's why we have used a simple present tense. In addition to that, where we have used yes form, es form, ies form, have a look at it children.